Why Pipedrive is a bad CRM for you. For many years, Pipedrive has been the best sales CRM for SMBs. It was the CRM built by salespeople for salespeople. But now, Pipedrive is no longer what it used to be. Since the founders sold the company to a private equity firm in 2020, Pipedrive is going upmarket and they're not adapting to the AI era at all. In this video, I will explain to you why Pipedrive is no longer a good CRM if you're running a small business. The informations I'm about to share with you are coming from my clients. At Breakcold, the majority of our customers are coming from Pipedrive. Some of them stayed with Pipedrive for 10 plus years, so they really love the software, but for many reasons, they left. Let's see together what are those reasons. The first reason is that Pipedrive is now a complicated software with a steep learning curve. If you're looking for a simple but powerful sales CRM, Pipedrive is not the right choice anymore. Their goal is to get bigger and bigger customers. For that reason, they have to build a more complex software to serve large enterprise customers. So if you're a small business, this is a problem. For example, just to automate the CRM, you will have to spend hours to learn how the CRM workflow feature works. And to build those complex trees of decisions, you will have to upgrade to the upper plans. And when you do that, you'll have to take into account other things like the number of total leads in the CRM and more. Essentially, if you pick Pipedrive, you might realize that along the way, you're probably not the target customer with the set of features they have. Which leads me to the second reason Pipedrive is not a good CRM for SMBs anymore: too much admin work. Like I just explained to you, Pipedrive's goal these days is to serve bigger enterprise customers who usually have dedicated people whose sole job is to update the CRM. As a small business, your job or the job of your salespeople should not be wasted in manual data entry. You want them to sell, not just do admin work. And Pipedrive is not doing a thing right now to solve this problem. Instead of adding valuable AI CRM features that could eliminate admin work, they prefer to give you generative AI features, which I like to call fluff AI. Fluff AI is, for example, generating draft emails with AI, so anything related to generative AI. The problem with generative AI is that it's not really useful because AI should automate the boring task so that you focus on talking with leads, not the other way around. Which leads me to my third point. What is a good alternative to Pipedrive? As mentioned in the introduction, my software Breakcold is a good alternative to Pipedrive as we have many customers churning from them. Breakcold is an AI native CRM for modern salespeople that automates the boring part. What it means is that Breakcold moves leads automatically, assigns tags automatically, creates follow-up tasks automatically for email, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Telegram, and soon phone. If you want to try Breakcold, go to breakcold.com and click on Try Breakcold free or click in the link in the description. From there, answer a couple of questions and AI will automatically create relevant CRM lists and sales pipelines adapted to your business situation. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to learn how to move leads automatically in your CRM without lifting a finger, you can click on this video.